We work on experiments all the time at the Louis Armstrong Middle School. Some of our experiments for students to review. In this experiment, we're going to take this heat lamp and aim it at this globe to simulate the sun's heating the earth. There are temperature strips attached to the globe in various locations from the equator up to the North Pole. When you put heat onto these temperature strips, they change color. There are many materials, such as this paper that is on the table, that when heat is applied to them, such as the heat from my hand, it will cause the paper to change color. Notice also that the temperature strips that are on here are attached to the globe in such a way that the light coming in from the globe will not come in at the same angle. Some light coming in from the globe will come in straight. Some light coming in will come in at various angles. On this globe, some light that's coming in will be coming in at really sharp angles to the way that the sun is coming in. So we'll put the light on and we'll see what effect the light has on it. Well, let's notice that as the light is touching it, that the colored strip, or the temperature strip that is right near the equator just a few seconds after the light went on, is beginning to change color. What about the other temperature strips? Oh, the second temperature strip that's right above it is beginning to change color, but let's look at that from the side. Is the light from our sun hitting the temperature strips at the same angle? That second temperature strip is changing color, but then what about the third one, and then what about the fourth one? Light does get to the North Pole, but what about the heat from the sun? Does it get there also? The light that is coming in at the equator, is the light there coming in differently than the light that's coming in at the North Pole on this globe? The light that's coming out of this light source is the same. It's only one bulb plugged into the wall. But when it's aimed at the globe, it seems to be causing two of the temperature strips to change color, but not the others. Let's just make sure that those other temperature strips do work. So let me just take some heat from my finger and touch them. Make sure they work. Oh, that one seems to be working. Let's try this one. Oh, that one seems to be changing color when I touch it. Well, my finger seems to be making the temperature strips up near the top change color, but the heat from this lamp doesn't seem to be. Well, something's causing that. I wonder what it could be. Well, the light's not coming in at the same angle. The angle is definitely different. The light coming in at the equator is definitely more direct. The light coming in at the North Pole, well, the light is just skimming over the top of the globe. Is there light, but since the light is so spread out, there isn't any heat? Well, we can see that the light is coming in differently, and we can see that the incoming light is causing heat in some areas of the globe and not in other areas of the globe. Well, we'd like to thank you for experimenting with us today, and we'd like you to have a great day.